When I was young, I dug quite a few holes in my garden at home, the beach. I hoped I might find some dinosaur bones or pirate's treasure, but secretly, what I really wanted to do was dig a hole all the way through the earth. Suppose you did that, bored a hole clean through from where you are now to the exact opposite side of the planet. Now, I know what you're thinking. The Earth's hot and molten inside, so the tunnel would collapse, and maybe there's ocean on the other side, so water would rush in as soon as you broke through to the other side. But forget all that. Let's simplify things and assume the Earth's made of cold, hard rock of the same density all the way through. And let's also assume that the hole doesn't contain any air. It's just filled with a vacuum. So there's no air resistance on anything moving through it. Now, suppose that you jumped into this hole. What would happen? Obviously, you'd start going faster as gravity pulled you down toward the center. And you'd keep on going faster until you reach the center of the Earth. It turns out that at that point, you'd be traveling at 7.9 kilometers per second, or nearly 18,000 miles an hour. So you'd shoot past and start going away from the center, gravity now slowing you down until you came to a dead halt at the exact opposite side of the Earth. The trip through the Earth from one side to the other would take just over 42 minutes, or about 84 minutes there and back. That's the same amount of time, 84 minutes, needed for a satellite going around the Earth just above the surface to complete one full orbit. And just as you'd be moving at 7.9 kilometers a second when you reach the center of the Earth, so the satellite would need to travel at 7.9 kilometers a second in order to maintain its orbit. Not only that, but if you dug other holes that went all the way through the Earth but not through the center, even short ones that connected points close together on the surface, the time taken to fall one way through them would still be 42 minutes. The reason is that although the distance would be less, the force acting on something falling through the hole would also be less, and the two would simply cancel out. Next time, we'll be looking at what is dark energy. So, stay tuned.